Fifth graders, today is Thursday, October 3rd. If you did not yet put your iPad away, sit down because we're getting started with our math lesson right now. Today, we're doing Eureka Math, Module 2, Lesson 2. We're continuing on from yesterday. Today, our learning goal is we are going to use what we know about math facts to help us estimate multi-digit products. So when we multiply big numbers, we can use estimation to help us figure out if our answer is reasonable or not. Let's first take a look at the problem of the day. It says, Joan, we know that we can use estimation to find the ballpark range or about where the answer should be, right? So we can round the factors in order to estimate the products. Now, whenever we're estimating, do we want to write things down on paper? Yes, just to show us our thinking, but we want to be able to do the math in our head, okay? So when we want to round to numbers that are related to math facts. For example, when we round 697, I don't want to round it to 690 or 695. I want to round it to 700 because that's a nice number because I can think of it as 700s, which means I can really just focus on the sevens part. Does that make sense? 82 is close to 80. So I know that 7 times 8, or 700 times 80 is going to be the same as 7 hundreds times 8 tens, which means I can really just think about math facts. I can think about 7 times 8 is 56, and what's hundreds times tens? So a good estimate for 697 times 82 is 56,000. Okay, let's try another example. If I have 8,840 and I want to multiply that by 45, well, I can think that 8,840 is pretty close to 9,000, and I can think about 45 as being pretty close to 50. Okay, well, then that's going to be the same thing as 9 thousands times 5 what's?
10.
Good, which means I can think about math facts. Then I just think about 9 times 5, which is 45, right? And then if I have thousands times tens, that's what?
10.
Good. So that's a pretty good estimate is going to be 45 10,000s. Now, of course, if I write that in standard form, I need the 5 to be in the 10,000s place, which would then mean I add the zeros. So it's 450,000. Times 8? Okay, sorry. In a single season, the New York Yankees, that's a baseball team for those of you who don't know, sell an average of 42,332 tickets for each of their 81 home games. About how many tickets do they sell for the entire season? So they have 81 games altogether, and on each game they sell 42,362 tickets. Take a moment and write down what the question's asking and the important information.